end the stigma and discrimination surrounding mental health in teens. That is the mission of Bring Change to Mind, a national nonprofit organization dedicated to raising awareness for behavioral health.
Pickerington High School Central, the first high school in Central Ohio now to establish that Bring Change to Mind club. NBC4's Audrey Hassan joining us now in the newsroom with the story. Audrey?
Brad and Jen, Julie Bruner has been a guidance counselor at PHSC for over 2 decades. She's also served on the Alcohol, Drug, and Mental Health Board of Fairfield County, which is where she learned about Bring Change to Mind. She collaborated with student organizers, and an important club was formed.
Mental health is something that I've seen a lot of people struggle with around school, especially teenagers.
So the Bring Change to Mind club aims to relieve some of those struggles.
Pitch ideas and we bounce ideas off of each other, and it just feels a lot like you're making a difference.
A goal shared by the 40 members of the club and its organizers.
We did something called the Positivity Board online, where a student would send a kind message about another student to our Instagram account, and we would then post that message and tag the person it was for.
Spreading kindness and awareness about the importance of communicating with fellow students is just one aspect of the club's mission.
Kids talk to other kids before kids talk to adults.
A reason Pickerington High School Central plans to use Sources of Strength, an organization who partners with the Ohio Department of Education to instruct students on how to talk about mental health with their peers.
In case they're feeling down or even suicidal. So each of the students have the resource knowledge to send those students who are struggling to someone who can help them.
Since the club began in 2019, the students have met for weekly meetings and started a public Facebook group and Instagram page to spread awareness throughout their community.
I live in a family of immigrants, and they don't tend to focus on mental health as much as other families and how it can affect us as young teens.
The Bring Change to Mind Club plans to partner with Columbus Refugee and Immigration Services to help raise awareness among immigrant students. The club has also implemented 2 mental health awareness weeks at school, with activities designed to start the conversation about mental health.
I was going through some tough times mentally at the beginning of my junior year. This is a great opportunity to help people so they don't have to go through as much as what I did.
Guidance counselor Julie Bruner also tells me the Adam H. Board of Fairfield County is focused on developing a suicide prevention program for all the schools in Fairfield County as well as the community. In the newsroom tonight, Audrey Hassan, NBC4.